Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful bubblegum machine. But this actual DIY is going to have a spin to it. I took some pictures, well, not really pictures. I recorded myself in front of my little area that I keep a lot of my DIYs on, in some of my storage space. And a lot of people really like my bubblegum machine in the background. So I decided to share how I made this, and you're gonna see the spin that I'm gonna do with this bubblegum machine. Thank you all for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. Always remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video. So let's jump right on into it. All right, y'all. Happy Saturday to everyone. We're gonna go ahead on and get started. Only thing that you will need for this DIY is a snow globe. These snow globes are new at our local Dollar Tree. They normally have snow globes every single year, but they are never this large. This is the first year that we've gotten snow globes this huge, and I had to get them, so I got more than one. So what you'll do, you'll remove this inside piece to make your dispenser. You will need one of these vases like this. You will find these inside of the arts and crafts and vases area of your local Dollar Tree. And that's pretty much it for the two items here. You'll need your E6000 glue, hot glue, and whatever other decor that you want to add to it. I did not take off my price tag last time because it's so hard to take off price tags for Dollar Tree. It leaves a lot of residue. So I'm gonna take this inside piece out, and this is here to help with your snow globes and leakages, like when you put water in there. I think I'm gonna have to use my wire cutter to get it out. I've seen in the past, over the last few years, different people do bubblegum machines. Oh, it's in here real tight, and I have wanted to give my take on it, how I would actually create mine. These will make great stocking stuffers, great gifts for kids or someone who you know that loves little items like this to display around their house. It's very hard, y'all, to get this out. There we go. I had a, so you know if you do a snow globe, it's going to be in there snug. All right, so I got the inner piece out. I'm going to save this. I may need it for a DIY. Take out my instructions. Peel this piece off. I pray that everyone is having a great day today. I am on this beautiful Saturday morning. Don't currently know what the temp is outside. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. Also, they were able to eat plenty of turkey and see lots of family and friends. Let me know down in the comments if you went out of town to see any family this year, since the pandemic is starting to get a little bit better. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Instead of actually gluing the whole bottom piece right here down, I want to be able to refill my dispenser whenever I want to. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some E6000 glue, put a little bit right here to the bottom. Just in the center, a little bit to the center like that, right? There we go. Then we're gonna also add some hot glue. Okay. Hold on for just a second, y'all. All right. I tried scratching off the label itself, and as you can see, Dollar Tree labels don't come off right. Before we apply everything, I'm gonna tell you exactly how I got the tint. I love you, baby. Exactly how I got the tint to the little gumball machine. That was my nephew, y'all. Right here, I used some red glitter. I don't have the glitter on me. I thought for sure I had the glitter, but I used red glitter and Mod Podge. I put a coat of red glitter and then, a coat of Mod Podge and a coat of red glitter, let it dry. And then to fill in the gaps so it won't look gappy, I went in with some red paint from Apple Barrel, as you can see, the red paint from Apple Barrel. And when you turn it upside down, it has a very nice look to it. It doesn't look gappy and it looks real filled in. So that's exactly what I did. And I let it dry overnight. So we're going to add our hot glue to the cap. We already got the E6000 up there. All right. Make sure you got it centered. All right. Apply a little pressure to it. Little pressure. Hold it for a couple seconds. All right. And now I'm gonna give you the spin on this particular dispenser. I made an actual bubble gum. Pull y'all up. I got you too low. Let me pull you up just a little bit. There we go. I made an actual bubble gum dispenser itself. And my niece and nephews and everybody in the house, they love this thing. And this go around with it being Christmas themed, and I'm doing Christmas DIY videos, and I said, why not just make a toy dispenser so that it can be not only something for your home for decor purposes, but you can also use this as a gift. So as this is drying, I'm letting it sit to kind of give the E6000 a chance to sit with the hot glue. So we're gonna sit that there. And we're gonna start filling the container up with toys. Let me see. Let's see. This is in tight. I dropped one. Good. 2 or 3 different cars in there. I'm gonna do green too. I think I dropped that one. Okay, sit that in there. I got some. I just had my sister to grab me like all different types of toys. But just make sure whatever you grab will fit actually inside of the container itself. All right. We got some bubbles here. Great stocking stuff for gifts. You got some bubbles. Let's open this up. Make sure these are closed good. They look like they are. Got the bubbles in here. Making sure they're not leaking. I think I got one of every color in there. Pretty much I was trying to make sure it's full. Stack all those in there. I didn't realize that this little container could hold so much. It can hold a lot. Shocked in how much it can hold. I thought for sure this would be too much, but it's packing it in there. I got one more car, and it's on the floor. Let me grab it. Oh Lord, it shot across the floor, y'all. Go get it, right there. Right there.
Oh, that's my car.
That ain't your car. Let me see it, baby. Thank you. That's the runaway car, y'all. That's going inside of the container too. Okay. Now, should be filled like that. Let's see. Now, I let my hot glue sit in my E6000 glue sit long enough. So we just gonna, this is how you'll pretty much open and close it. Just like that. You know, like when your kids go to the store and they see those expensive, yes, I'm gonna say it, expensive toy machines that has 50 cents and $1 and all that for toys. You can make them their own little personal one for Christmas. And I'm gonna let you see that the other one opens the same way. I know a lot of you probably wondering how this one opens. It opens the same way. I like to make sure everyone see that my stuff is durable. It works the same. Gumball machine works the same way as the toy machine. So you can pretty much choose what you want to make for your kids or for your family member. If they rather have the gumball machine versus the toy machine, then you could just do either or. Okay, I have a bow right here, so I'm gonna add a bow to that one since it's gonna be an actual gift. All right. And this particular ribbon came from a garage sale. It had snowmans on it. I thought it would be real cute. So we're gonna cut this and make a nice little bow. All right, set that to the side. Bring this way. I like to find out which area is gonna be my front. I think I'm gonna let this way be my front. Y'all, I like appearance, things that look a certain way. This will be my front. Just do your quick little bow. Don't have to be nothing real fancy. Almost done. You everyone. Let's see. All right. Quick bow. Y'all, I left something out. Hold on. Okay. That's how it looked to the front. Let me add one more thing. It's toy related, y'all. You know, when you giving, you got to do it right. All right, this was one of the toys I had in there too. This is putty. You know the kids love putty. So it's going to go. We'll take like two of the bubbles out and add some putty. Make and put all of it in there. I don't know. I think we got like okay. Now it's completely full. All right, there we go. Now it is all complete. It looks so festive, so cute. I actually added a little bow to it. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. This will make a great stocking stuffer, great holiday gift. Always remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.